Keen for a ride? Yeah? Me too, man. It's alright. Up you get. You okay? Yeah, it's alright. Bit of sand, that'll do it. You all good? Get your both feet down on the ground there. Both feet down, that's it. Righto. It hurt?
No, you guys hurt.
Oh, yeah. Go. Yeah. Well, I was just trying to find a little track we might be able to do. Yeah. Do you want to just have a look around? Yeah. Alright, I'll follow you. I don't know why I got no E-start. So weird. These PW50 foot pegs just drag on everything. Makes it hard. Trying to learn. Oh, don't look over your shoulder. That'll do. Ready for a red frog? Righto. Turn her off. Good man. You alright? Sweet. Hey? Okay. You like this track?
Yeah.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, we didn't even do this track.
Nobody else riding this track at the moment.
No.
There you go.
I don't like this track.
I don't know.
But you do.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. And anybody else?
Oh. Oh, drop another one. Silly chicken nugget. Oh, he's in the rut. Foot pegs. That's it, mate. standing up. How you going?
Yeah.
Not bad?
That way.
Yeah, well you're doing really good, man. If you want to just stay on this track, you can. See all this dirt's the same colour?
Yeah.
You're doing really good.
I want to go that one.
That one?
Yeah.
What's down there? Do you want to check it out? Do you want to have a look? I'll go first. Alright, you can come down and have a look. Use your brakes. Brakes on. Good man. Yeah, right. Big bridge?
Huh?
Big bridge?
Yeah.
That's the train bridge. Do you want to go underneath it? Kind of cool. Ah, it's just a puddle, yeah. One must be the old one and one must be the new one, I think. I don't know. Train coming. Just wait. Cool. We might turn around, eh? Because we don't need to be over here. We'll turn around and go back. Oi, axe. Hang on. What is it? Don't go near that hole. Don't go near that hole. Do you want to go across the bridge? Yeah. Right, I go. Oi, Train stopped there. I don't know. You want to turn around and we'll go back? Red light. See, the train stopped at that red light.
Yeah.
Well, there must be another train coming. 2-lane rail. So they got to go around each other. So that's why. How?
Yeah.
I'll show you later. They have a little... The tracks move at certain points like that. They can move the track. Here it comes. Come over here. Just chill. See, he's going to overtake him. Right? It's pretty cool, isn't it? See, bit the horn for ya. Bit the horn for ya. How cool is that? There she goes. Alright, so there's more. Cool. Yeah, I thought that other bridge was not working, but it is. So I'm going to turn your bike on. Actually, I'll spin you around first. This way. Up here. Stop. Hang on. So we saw the trains, we saw the bridge, and now we're going to go back and do a bit more riding. So hot. Might be time for lunch soon. And I got no electric. Oh, it's back. Bit of electric start's back. Hell yeah. Been kicking it all day. All right. I'll follow you. Go in that way. Oh. So focused. Alright, bud. Yeah. You good? You okay? Yeah? Start her up. Righto, good job. did good. Getting faster. Do you want to go home and get some lunch? Yeah? Yeah, sounds good. Alright, we'll start heading back then. See, that sand track looks thrashed. First ride through here, he was nearly falling over, feet down. Now he's riding in the sand, feet up. Until those bits. He's improved. Oh, don't look back at me. Found this cool single track on the way in. It's really good for Axel. Keep going. Really good for Axel to get his first sort of single track riding. It's a bit sandy, pretty forgiving, wide. It's good for him. It's just easy going, twisty stuff. My bike does not like going this slow. Just ride in the clutch all the time. Pretty sure my clutch is worn out too. I'll have to sort that out. I was thinking before that every time we go on a ride we have to take red frogs. It's a bit of a superstition, I guess. Be interested to know what other people do. Like, is there something that they take every ride, or you do before every ride? Like, favourite snacks? Let me know. Alright, well, we're nearly back to the car, so we'll catch you next time. Peace.